your flex shaft is of paramount importance in your studio. Hi, I'm Muir. In this video, I'm going to answer the questions about how to change the brushes inside of your flex shaft and how often to do that. Changing out these brushes is very, very simple, so let's take a look now. So here we now have my flex shaft. It should go without saying that really it should be unplugged. No power to our flex shaft here. What I want to do is I want to take a flathead screwdriver. On either side of our flex shaft we have these two spots where the brushes reside. And what you do is just take that flathead screwdriver and open this up. Now you want to be cautious because this is spring-loaded. So it's very, very easy to lose this little cap. So just be cautious with that when you are opening it. And you can see here that this little piece pops out on us. And this is our brush. Now we have a little copper pigtail that helps to bring the electricity down to the graphite rod. And then the graphite rod actually contacts the commutator inside of our machine, and that's our motor. It's cylindrical, and you might notice that there's a slight curve to this where it actually kind of fits up against the motor itself, or that cylinder. And so that's what we want to have. Now, a brand new brush has about a 3/4 inch length here on this graphite rod. And you want to replace these once they hit about a 1/4 inch or so, because once it hits that, it will no longer have the length needed to go and have that contact with that commutator. Now, if your brush is a little bit longer, that's okay. That's a good thing. But it also may indicate that you probably need to use your flex shaft a little bit more often, as mine does indicate. And I'll get right on that for you. Now you can see that the housing for the brush has while it's round, it has a rectangular flange in there. And that is so that it makes certain that you insert this brush correctly into the flex shaft itself. So you've got your rectangular graphite rod, just insert that into there. And this is where it really gets fun, is trying to get this spring in here so that it lays down appropriately, and you may have to fiddle with it just a little bit. I like to hold it down with my fingernail and just kind of slide that little cap into place. Use the screwdriver, tighten that back up, and I would repeat that process for the opposite side. So again, you only need to do this maybe every 40 hours of usage on the flex shaft itself, and then you are ready to go. Now, once you've replaced these brushes, the next important step, and this is really all you have to do, is to take a can of compressed air, and you want to blow out any kind of dust or like sawdust, metal dust, any different particles that can get into this, because if you don't, then your machine can short out. So we want to just take a little bit of air, blow it right into these openings in there, and you are ready to go. So, like I said, very quick video, helps to maintain. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and then check out the other videos that I have also on maintaining your flex shaft. We'll see you guys next week.